Meet the VENTION Powerhouse 20,000 mAh power bank, your all-in-one fast charging solution for laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Imagine never having to worry about your battery running out again, no matter where you are. With its massive 20,000 mAh capacity and up to 165 watts of total output, this compact powerhouse keeps all your devices charged and ready. It delivers up to 100 watts of power through USB-C, giving your laptop a fast boost in just minutes, while your smartphone stays powered for up to 4 full charge cycles. That means more time working, streaming, gaming, or creating content and less time hunting for an outlet. Two USB-C ports and one USB-A port let you charge 3 devices at once. Your laptop, phone, and accessories all stay ready when you need them most. One of the most convenient features is the built-in USB-C cables. One doubles as a rugged strap for carrying, while the other supports up to 240-watt charging speeds. No tangled cords, no searching through your bag. Just grab it, plug it in, and go. A bright TFT display gives you real-time details on battery percentage, voltage, current, temperature, and even the number of charging cycles. So you always know exactly how much power you have left and how efficiently it's being delivered. And to make it even more fun, animated emoji indicators provide instant feedback, showing charging progress and safety alerts with personality. Rugged, powerful, and intuitive, the VENTION Powerhive is built for every part of your day. Take it to the office, pack it in your travel bag, or keep it on your desk for quick top-ups. It adjusts to every lifestyle. With 20,000 mAh capacity, 165 watts of output, built-in cables, a smart display, and playful emoji animations, this isn't just another charger, it's power with personality. Stay charged, stay confident, and stay connected wherever life takes you. The VENTION Powerhive. Charge smarter, charge faster, charge happier.